Car goes into limp mode. So first I'll run a computer diagnostic. I have this OutL device for a good few years. It might be the mass sensor. Sometimes live data can help. Unfortunately, I do not know what the data says when the car has no issue. I must come up with some ideas on what the problem could be. The atmospheric value looks okay. The mass value, I am not sure. I don't know what it should be on idle. Here's one problem, value doesn't change. I'm not sure what is wrong, but I suspect the EGR valve. If the EGR valve is stuck, then ECU gets wrong data. Oxygen sensor shouldn't be zero. If you know what are the correct values, let me know, please. Funny readings from EGR valve. Live data in driving mode. EGR value doesn't change. Time to remove the EGR valve. This method is longer, but you have more room. $15 socket. I'd say they were never removed. A bit of lube might help. The vibration helps too, just careful to not damage the thread. $10mm socket. Good to know how to remove those trims for other jobs. T25 star. The location of the EGR valve, as I said, without those trims, it is more room. T25. It is not easy to see the bolt, but you can feel it. A magnetic T25 would be handy in case of drop, but I don't have it. Just working carefully. One more. Two bolts. It's like welded. Doesn't want to come out easy. Couple tries and she moves. Doesn't look bad. Looks okay to me. T25, T30. I will clean it anyway once I have it removed. I was thinking that it could be the electric part being faulty. Some petrol. I will let it soak in petrol for a while and then clean again. After cleaning EGR valve, still stuck. Put up. I will put it back, so it's either the EGR valve actuator or ECU doesn't get the right values, or maybe a broken cable, or could be mass sensor too, or even faulty ECU, a lot of worse. Did any one of you had this problem? How did you fix? I'll do a few more tests before I take a decision. I'm thinking of remapping the ECU. But first I need to check if the actuator is working by applying voltage. I suppose I have to change the mass sensor too, just in case. Then test the throttle body. All those units are connected with a blue wire. They share the same information. A wire diagram would be handy. I don't have access to such a treasure. No voltage to the EGR valve actuator, so the actuator might be okay. Voltage from blue wire, the common wire.
Yellow.
I think it's a blue wire.
Brown.
Can't remember now, it's been a while. This value has to change in order for the actuator to operate. Job not done yet.